Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Crockpot Liners is probably one of the most underrated kitchen tools, but trust me, they're a game changer. If you're tired of scrubbing your slow cooker for hours after a delicious meal, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 10-quart Crockpot Liners, exploring their benefits, and helping you decide if they're the perfect addition to your cooking arsenal. Number 5. KOOC 14x22 Slow Cooker Liners. These KOOC slow cooker liners come in a pack of 10, each sized 14 by 22 inches. They are individually stacked in a resealable bag for easy use. Simply line your slow cooker, cook, and then toss for a hassle-free cleanup. Each cooking bag is designed to fit various ingredients in most slow cookers. It's perfect for family meals or large gatherings like Thanksgiving and Christmas. This allows you to cook multiple dishes in one pot, reducing cleanup time. The liners are made from premium, heat-resistant material that can withstand temperatures up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. They are also safe for cold storage in the fridge. You can be assured that no harmful chemicals will be released during cooking or storage. The disposable pot liners are individually stacked in a resealable bag. This provides a cleaner alternative to boxed liners. This design keeps the liners sanitary and convenient for you to use. These liners are designed for single use to prevent food residue from contaminating your slow cooker. Made from food-grade material, it ensures no contamination. They are perfect for cooking, storing, or transporting food, providing reliable protection. What we like? These liners are designed for easy single-sheet use, making your cooking process a breeze. The large size and heat-resistant material make it perfect for family meals or large gatherings. If you're looking for a convenient and safe way to cook and clean up quickly, you should consider this. What people say. Great time saver. Just pop in the bag, add your ingredients, cover and cook. No matter what kind of oil or spray I used previously, always had to scrub, usually after soaking. Now, after I remove the food, I just wait for the crockpot to cool, remove the bag and toss. Cook in bag eliminates stuck-on food. Can use to pour from crockpot to serving bowl. No need to scrub the crockpot. Work as well as the more expensive Reynolds ones. And they are flat-packed, so they are easier to store. Number 4. Syntus Slow Cooker Liners, Easy Cooking and Cleanup. Tired of scrubbing your slow cooker? These liners are designed to make cooking and cleanup a breeze. They fit most slow cookers and are perfect for all your favorite recipes. Made from BPA-free material, this product is safe for food stewing. The heavy-duty nylon blend prevents punctures and leaks, ensuring your food stays delicious and your cooker stays clean. Unlike other brands, each liner is individually stacked for easy removal. Simply place it in your cooker, add ingredients, and start stewing. It's that easy. Just place the liner, add your ingredients, and cook. When finished, simply lift the liner and discard. It's the easiest way to enjoy slow-cooked meals without the mess. Use 2 liners for multiple dishes or for sous vide cooking. It's also great for separating food from the cooker, like seasoning meat. The possibilities are endless. What we like? These liners are made with BPA-free material, ensuring your food is safe and healthy. The heavy-duty material prevents leaks and punctures, and the individual packaging is convenient. If you are looking for a safe and easy-to-use solution for slow cooking, you should consider this. What people say. They are a perfect fit for my 10-quart slow cooker. Cleanup is a breeze. These liners are a game changer for easy cleanup. Number 3. SMARTAKE Slow Cooker Liners, 30-pack. Tired of scrubbing your slow cooker? These liners are designed to make your life easier. They fit most slow cookers and keep your appliance clean. Made from high-tenacity nylon, these liners are BPA-free and heat-resistant up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. They won't affect your food's taste or nutrition, ensuring a safe cooking experience. Measuring 14 by 22 inches, these liners fit 6 to 10-quart round or oval slow cookers. You can even use them in the microwave. They're designed for versatility and convenience. Each pack contains 30 liners, perfect for everyday use. Simply toss them away after cooking, saving you valuable time and effort on cleaning. Your pot will stay spotless. These disposable liners extend the life of your slow cooker. For added protection, consider using 2 liners at once to prevent any accidental leaks. Enjoy your meals with peace of mind. Using these liners is a breeze. Just place the liner in your slow cooker, add your ingredients, and cook as usual. Once done, lift the bag, and your cooker is clean. It's that simple. What we like? These liners are made of food-grade, BPA-free material, ensuring your food's safety and taste. They are suitable for both oval and round pots, and are easy to use with just 3 simple steps. If you like a hassle-free cooking experience, you should consider this. What people say. They are thick enough to handle soups and casseroles and will fit various sizes of slow cookers. These are sturdy and thick enough to handle stirring without ripping. Makes for a super easy cleanup. They are strong and easy cleanup. Best thing ever. Number 2. Slow cooker liners and cooking bags, 20 counts. Tired of scrubbing your slow cooker? These extra large liners fit perfectly, preventing food from sticking. They are disposable, making cleanup a breeze. Each bag measures 14 by 22 inches, designed to fit 6 to 10 quart slow cookers. This ensures a perfect fit for your oval or round pot, every time. This package gives you 20 large-size liners. They are perfect for use with slow cookers, pans, and aluminum cooking trays. These BPA-free liners are safe for high, medium, and low temperatures. You can use them for oven roasting, microwaving, and more, without the mess. Use it to cook anything from chicken to soup. Simply toss it away after use, saving you time and keeping your pot clean, extending its life. Remember, it's a one-time use product. Be careful not to cut it with sharp objects. For extra protection, you can even use 2 at once. What we like? These liners come in an extra large size, perfect for your 6 to 10 quart slow cooker. They are food safe and BPA-free, suitable for various cooking methods. If you have a large family or often cook for gatherings, you should consider this. What people say. These do fit slow cookers and retain the cooked meat, veggies, and juices. Carefully lift out of cooker and pour in a bowl. Tricky is not to get your fingers burned. After you do this several times, you know how to do it. The cooker is clean. These are great and didn't leak. Used once so far and it worked perfectly. Number 1. Slow cooker liners and cooking bags, extra large. Cleaning your slow cooker can be a hassle. But now, there's an easier way. These disposable liners make cleanup a breeze, saving you time and effort. This package includes 20 extra large liners, each measuring 14 by 22 inches. They are designed to fit 6 to 10 quart slow cookers, perfect for various meals. Simply place the liner in your slow cooker before cooking. After use, just toss it away. The pot stays clean, and you save valuable time. These liners are heat resistant up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and made from BPA-free material. They won't affect your food's taste or nutrition. For added security, it's recommended to use 2 liners at once. We offer different sizes to fit your needs. From small to extra large, there's a liner for every slow cooker. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. What we like? These liners are extra large and designed for easy disposal, saving you time on cleanup. The durable and reliable design extends the life of your cookware. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to keep your slow cooker clean, you should consider this. What people say. I have a large oval crockpot, use these all the time, cleanup takes seconds. These are awesome and well worth the price. They make cleanup a breeze. Slow cooker liners have one job, to keep the slow cooker vessel clean. Having used a half dozen or so, they have met the challenge for each slow cooking task. You are warned to not use sharp utensils or excess contact, however. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.